Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best electric hand planer on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. POWERTEC Electric Hand Planer. The POWERTEC HP 1005 compact and portable electric hand planer is an excellent choice for the DIY with a limited workspace. It is ideal for the professional contractors, remodelers and carpenters who need a tool that is powerful yet still compact enough to fit into any job site or portable work van. The POWERTEC HP 1005 planer with 4 3/8 planer blades is an electric hand plane that offers consistent results with an 8-amp power motor. The plane can plane wood quickly, efficiently and in just a few strokes. It comes with a plane fence, and plane blades, and features a depth adjustment gauge and depth adjustment scale. The corded hand plane runs smoothly and has a power on-off switch and a plane blade release button. The plane blades can also be adjusted for maximum smoothness and plane shavings. Number 4. TOPSHAK Electric Hand Planer. The TOPSHAK Electric Hand Planer TSEP3 provides a new level of professionalism, utility and enjoyment to woodworking and other fine woodworking tasks. With its powerful motor, it can be used for a wide range of applications for woodworking, crafts, and many other applications. TOPSHAK's Electric Hand Planer TSEP3 is the best choice for woodworkers who want to remove a lot of material fast. This high-speed, powerful tool can remove up to 3 mm and 1/8 wood in a single pass. It has a 16,000 rotations per minute motor and 4 3/8 inch planting depth. The cutting width is 4 3/8 inch and the spindle nose has a maximum width of 7/8 inch. The blade is universal and designed for wood, soft metal and plastic. TOPSHAK TSEP3 electric hand planer is equipped with a powerful motor which can operate at full speed without slowing down. You can run it for hours without overheating. The cutting wheel is made of high-quality steel, which means they can be used many times before they need to be replaced. Number 3. Jellas Electric Hand Planer. The Jellas 7.5-amp power hand planer is a must-have for top-quality woodworking projects and other home improvement tasks. It features a brushless motor, steel body, and aluminum cutter, and has a 180 degrees reversible cutting head with dual-handle design. The planer has a 16,500 RPM rotational speed with a 3 1/4 inch cut width and an ergonomic design that provides a comfortable touch and easy control. It has a dual dust-out system which helps prevent the clogging of material and a blast protector that prevents overloading of the tool. Its powerful motor allows quick removal of material, and the cutter and blade are made of high-quality HSS and carbon. The planer is available in black. This lightweight, compact and fast electric hand planer is engineered to deliver ample power, ease of operation, and an ergonomic handle design. This portable hand planer weighs only 4.9 kilograms, which makes it highly portable and great for lengthy jobs. Planer has a dual dust-out system that sucks away wood dust and debris, wood shavings, from the surface of the wood. The hand planer has 2 reversible HSS blades and 2 carbon brushes. Jellas Electric Hand Planer is built with a dual handle design, employing an innovative tool-less design to make changing the blades easy. Number 2. BOSCH Electric Hand Planer. BOSCH hand planers with a powerful, high-speed motor and unique helical steel cutter head. This BOSCH hand planer provides precision results. A single planing stroke removes material with less effort, reducing the risk of user fatigue. The 2-speed setting allows you to match the speed to the application. It has a durable, lightweight, strong cast aluminum body. The universal joint allows the head to be repositioned for optimized results. It comes with a built-in dust collector for clean and fast material removal. The BOSCH hand planer comes with a built-in dust collector for quick material removal and a convenient carrying case for easy transport and storage. This professional tool also gives you increased accuracy and efficiency with a helical cutter head that adjusts to both plunge and fixed base operations. Anti-kickback poles and a riving knife protect you from dangerous kickback and splintering. The planer comes with a push-button depth stop, so you can make repeat cuts with the same setting. Number 1. WEN Electric Hand Planer. WEN 6-amp electric hand planer is a speedy way to get the job done. With a powerful 6 amps and 3 1/4 blade, this portable planer quickly removes wood up to 3/4 thick. The WEN 6530's powerful 6-amp motor has a reverse mode allows you to bring the wood to the machine rather than the machine to the wood. The planer has a 2-speed setting and an adjustable depth guide to ensure a smooth finish on your projects. It's lightweight yet powerful enough to suit a range of woodworking applications. And it is equipped with an ergonomic handle that provides a comfortable grip. The WEN electric hand planer is designed to plane the surface of wood, laminate, and plastics. The planer is easily pushed forward and operates quietly. To use, the planer's handle is squeezed to engage the on-off switch. The user then holds the hand planer firmly and strokes the planer across the wood. The electric hand plane features a 6-amp motor that operates at 30,000 strokes per minute. The planer's blades have a 3/1/4-inch cutting length. The hand plane also features a carbide-tipped blade that cuts smoothly and quickly. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.